Does the Subaru forced air intake really do anything? The answer is no, not really. Why? Well, at the other end of it, it really doesn't, have a airtight connection to the rest of the intake. Now, this system was replaced from stock. So what I have here is I have a Cobb air intake filter underneath there. And the whole side of the box is open. Where does this thing really get most of its air from? It's actually the fender well. And I know that because anybody I pull up next to can hear my engine sucking. Not sucking as in poorly running, but sucking as in drawing in air. I mean, it's incredible. It sounds like a jet engine when I pull up next to people. So that's pretty cool. It's not really annoying. It's just a different sound. So a Cobb air intake is probably the thing you might want to have. These boost gauges are great, and they're pretty accurate. The problem with this SPT boost gauge is that there's an LED that's right behind the 0, and it gets into your eyes at night. So what I did was I put this blob of rubber, okay, that's clear rubber, and I stuck it right in front of the 0 so it didn't get in your eyes at night.